Richard Kraft flying.
And Richard Kraft sending in the big Antonov.
Touch and go.
You're watching part 2 of the 93 Top Gun Invitational Scale Tournament, West Palm Beach, Florida.
He's down. Yak 11. Slow flight.
Scale Aircraft Volume 60.
Little windy out there, little windy out there. Michael Becker, Germany. Gonna do some tricks for us with his weak solution. Weak special.
This is called a Weeks Special.
Bubba Spivey.
Bubba has taken
Oakwood, Georgia. Oh, Bubba. Good boy. That boy.
If you out, bud.
Good flying, Bubba.
See you, boss.
Bob Ferenzi, F-14. Wings are extended.
Bob does feel comfortable, and he's going to bend around the field. Keep your eye on the aircraft. And
Wings sweeping back.
Bob Ferenzi, the F-14 Tomcat. And this is a burn pass. I have goosebumps. How about you? Goes up to 2 degrees in a slow roll with the wing-swept configuration.
They're now extended,
Here we go.
sweeping back.
Oh, yes. Up on the side with 2 vapor trails.
Extended, cleaning for landing.
And look at this green zone landing.
Very nice. Brakes. Well, the men from France are here. They got 2 sizes of the turbine jet engine with them.
I wonder if I could trouble you so I'm getting an angle shot. Thank you.
This is the big one. Dennis Crooks. His last flight Sunday afternoon. Learjet. Slow flyby. Second place, Toledo. Precision scale. Oh, and Dennis Crooks. Now we'll get old Diego here on a down and dirty flyby, it looks like. Sky Raider. Comes Dennis. He's down. Diego in a go-around in this time. Diego's way up there in the standings, we know that. Look at that grease job. That's why. That's why.
Watch his wings as he holds as he taxis back. It's just a beautiful thing to see. Bill McCauley is back. He got his Aircobra B-39.
There go the wings, folks. Look at the wings folding up. The thing started to cut carry it. Diego Lopez, California.
Corona, California. Diego Lopez. Those wings will fall down and lock in place, and he'll taxi back and take a bow. AD Sky Raider. Bill McCauley taxiing out. E-39 Aircobra. Down and safe. Gear down. Coming home after a mission. Like it's a flyby. Must be a flyby. Down and dirty.
The F-86 is a generality flight. It's a special day for Pat, and I'll tell you that after she lands. Jerry Gearing, C-4.
Interesting. Dave Platt and Sam Wright. Turn around, Sam. Take a bow. Take a bow.
Hey, are we having fun, Dave?
Where'd you guys get all this knowledge?
Well, we read it in a book.
Is it age?
While everybody's out partying, David and I are in our rooms reading dictionaries and encyclopedias on aviation.
That's what we do while the others are going out with girls.
Well, we appreciate everything you're doing, guys. Sounds great.
All right.
Thanks a million.
We had a good time. Glad you're here.
Oh, yeah.
Such a bunch of twaddle to me.
benefit.
Tom
A lot
Holbeck.
of these sponsors are in the vendor booth area where you can actually look at their products. ACE-RC is a manufacturer of associated electronic gadgets, battery chargers, and meters used in our radio control hobby. Aerotronics is a manufacturer of the computer processed Infinity radio, which a lot of the pilots are using to control the aircraft today.
Goes Frankie.
Aircraft that you see
Frank Tiano.
are manufactured from photographs of the pilot
Complete down there.
T-33s, F-86s, and F-16s. Bob Banka plans and catalogs and photographs for pilots that would research to build aircraft from. We don't want to forget
Hamilton Lake.
videos, Proctor Enterprises, and again, Pacer Technology, one of our major sponsors for this 93 Invitational. Without those folks, Southwest Night and the Vickers Vimy.
A landing this trip. He's
And
down.
the Vickers Vimy settling down after completing his final in 4.
Tom Philipping.
Bud Brown.
Philipping's decided to land. High static. He's down.
Always a crosswind at Top Gun.
It's almost over. Sunday afternoon. Rowley and Bill Steffes, second place, team scale.
In team scale this year. Mr. Bob Miles and Jerry Coyle with the T-33.
First place, team scale. Team scale. Fifth place.
Well, as usual, it's a great event.
Hamilton, fourth place.
How about a few words of wisdom?
I tell you what, this is unbelievable.
Dennis Crooks, third place, Learjet.
Dennis Crooks, third place in the expert division.
Terry Nitz,
Stuart,
second
come over
place.
here and let them get a
F-86.
shot of you.
Feller, first place, Globe Swift.
I would like to thank all the sponsors, but I would particularly like to thank my wife. She's been my right hand.
Good going, Corvin. Well, the 5th annual 1993 Top Gun is history.
We're going to do a fade out.